How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your tiny task delay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to open up my tiny task right here. Of course, when opening it will look something like this. Click on finish, and basically inside this page you just want to make sure to click on the shield icon right here that will enable tiny task to access the administrator mode. So from here, you then want to click on option, click setting, and then you can set it up normally with your hotkeys and the stop and record. And basically from there, you can now start recording. So in my case, I'm going to record this mouse movement right here. And then I'm going to end it with my F10. And if we click on the play button, it should simply play out normally. So the most important thing right here is to just make sure that the tiny task is launched on the administrator mode, and that should help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.